Emilia. Once upon a time, there were three brothers. They lived in a small village on the shore of the Volga River. The two elder brothers were married. They were merchants. The youngest Emilia was foolish, lazy, and despised work. While Emilia's brothers went out to work, he sat on a warm stove in the kitchen. One day, the two brothers went to the market and told Emilia to take care of their wives. They promised to get for him a kaftan, red boots, and a red hat. One winter morning, Emilia's sister-in-law asked him to get water from the river, but he shrieked from the top of the stove, "That's not my job." She persuaded him and promised him a new red jacket and a new red hat. He jumped off the stove and went down to the frozen river. Emilia reached the river and started grumbling about his problems. He broke the ice to fill his buckets. At the Pikes' behest, as he was filling water in the buckets, he realized that he had caught a fish, a large pike. "This will make a great fish dish," thought Emilia. All of a sudden, the pike said to him in a human voice, "Set me free, Emilia. I will grant you anything you wish. You will never have to work. All you need to do is to say, 'At the pike's behest and at my request.' Remember these words and say them when you need anything again in the future." This was a great offer for Lazy Emilia. Emilia put the pike back in the water and said, "At the pike's behest and at my request. Dear buckets, go home yourself." As soon as he said these words, buckets started moving towards his house. Soon, the Tsar came to know about Emilia and ordered him to appear at the palace. Emilia and the princess. Emilia, being foolish and lazy, used the pike's command and ordered his stove to take him to the palace. Riding on the stove, Emilia appeared at the courtyard of the palace. Everybody watched him. Among the spectators was also the Tsar's daughter. When Emilia saw her, he fell in love with her and said, "At the pike's behest and at my request, I want this beautiful girl to fall in love with me." And then he ordered the stove to take him back home. Now, the Tsar's daughter longed for Emilia and asked her father to let her marry him. The Tsar was angry with her daughter, but there was nothing that he could do, so he sent an officer to bring Emilia to the palace. The officer went to Emilia's house with a lot of sweets. When Emilia finished all the treats, he got tired and fell asleep. The officer then carried him to the Tsar. At the island, the officers put Emilia and the princess in a big barrel and threw them into the sea. When Emilia woke up, he found himself in the barrel with the princess. Weeping, she told him what had happened to them. Emilia said, "At the pike's behest and at my request, I want the waves to roll the barrel to the shore." The next moment they were saved and landed on a beautiful island. The princess asked Emilia to build a hut for them to live in. Emilia agreed and said loudly, "At the pike's behest and at my request, build me here the best palace in the world." Immediately, a beautiful palace with many servants appeared. They lived happily as the rulers of the island. The palace had a crystal bridge that connected it to the mainland, so that the princess might go and meet her father. Emilia made amends with everyone and lived happily.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.